Hi, hello, welcome back to our computer class. In the last two sessions, we have learned about creating table in Microsoft Word and how we can modify already created table. How we can create table? We can click on Insert tab, then go to the Tables group. From there, we can either insert table using the grid method like this, or we can insert a table by using insert table method. This one, table, insert table, mention the rows and columns here in this and click OK. Like this we can insert table, or there are some other options, draw table or that Excel, all that you can use. We have in the textbook you have to study only these two table method. Then we have learned how to enter data in the table. How we can enter data? We can enter data in the table by placing the cursor inside that cell and type the value. Like this we can enter data in the table. To move the cursor we can use either tab key or arrow key. Then we have learned how to modify the created table, like inserting more rows or columns, or deleting or resizing the row height, etc. So for inserting more rows, either we can place the cursor outside that row and press enter. Now you can see one more row has been inserted here, or you can go to the layout tab. Here I am typing here Monday, and if you want to add one more row, click on the layout tab. Then from the rows and columns group you can insert row above or insert row below option, you can click. So here I am clicking insert above. Now one more row has been inserted. Similarly, we can insert a column to the right or left of the selected cell. Here I am selecting this cell. Click on the layout tab, then click on insert to the right. You can see here one more column has been inserted to the right, or if you are clicking on insert to the left, you can see here one more column will be inserted to the left of the selected cell. Like this we can insert more rows and columns to the already created table. We have also learned how to adjust the height of the row by using the shortcut method, that is by placing the cursor on the border of the row and just drag it out or in to increase and decrease the size of the row. Or you can click on the layout tab. From the rows and columns group, we can cell size group, we can increase the size of the row by clicking here, or by clicking you can decrease the size. Same way we can increase the column height by using the shortcut method. By dragging the cell border out or in, we can increase or decrease the size. Or go to the layout tab, then we can increase the size by clicking here, or we can decrease the size by clicking here. Okay, like this we can increase or decrease the size of the. Also we have learned how to delete a row or column. So for that first we have to select the row or column which we want to delete. Then go to the layout tab. From the rows and columns group, click on the delete option. Then for different options are available, from there we can select delete row. That row has been deleted. Or if you want to delete a column, select the column. From the layout tab, select delete column option. Like this we can delete rows or columns, or by using the shortcut method, select the row or column which you want to delete, then right click, then select delete cell option, delete row, entire row, click OK. Or if you want to delete a column, select the columns, right click, delete columns option, click on. If you want to delete the entire table, you can delete that also, either by using the layout tab, delete option, delete table, now I am not pressing, or by right clicking and selecting delete table option. Clear? So delete table, that table has been removed from the document. Then what we have learned? We have learned merging and splitting. Merging and splitting means, merging means joining two or more cells together, that is merging. For that, go to the layout tab, then merge cells option, click on merge cells. That row, these three cells has been merged together. And if you want to merge two columns, you can go to the layout tab, click on this merge cells option. Its column also has been merged together. Now if you want to split this column into two rows and two columns, then we can do that. Splitting means dividing. So for that, click on the layout tab, split cell option, and we can give the number of columns. Here I am giving 2, number of rows also 2, I am giving 2 by 2. Okay, now you can divide the cell into 2 rows and 2 columns. Like this we can split the cells. Also we can do the formatting to the text or table. So for that, first select the text and click on the home tab. We can change the color, we can increase the size of font, or we can change this font. Also we can make it bold, italic, or underline. We can align the text to the left, center, right. Can increase the size. All these formatting also we can do in the table. So these all we have learned in the last 2 sessions. Today let's learn something more. Let's start. Now let's learn cell alignment. Cell alignment determines how the text or numbers are positioned in a cell. They are of 2 types: vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment of the text we can do from here itself, from the home tab. These alignment buttons, left align, center, right align. So if you want to make this text to the left, you can click here. If you want to make that at center, you can click here. Then this is to the right. To arrange the text to top, middle and bottom, or top, center and bottom, we have to do the following. Right click, and from the table properties, here it is given cell alignment will be available from table properties. Click on cell, then vertical alignment. 3 types of vertical alignments are here: top, center, bottom. First let me select bottom, click OK. You can see that text aligned at the bottom of the table. I am making it at the center. Now again, if you want to make it at the center of this cell, table properties, center. Okay, center of the vertically aligned center. This is horizontally center, and now we are making it into the vertical center. Then to the top, again right click, table properties, cell, top. Okay, like this you can align the text in a cell. Two different types of alignments are there, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. Horizontal alignments are left, right and center. Vertical alignments are top, middle and bottom. So there are 6 different types of alignments are available in table. Now let's learn how to resize the table. Resize means to increase or decrease the size of the table. So for that, move the pointer on the table until you get the resize handle at the lower right corner here. So you can move the pointer here and press the left mouse button and drag out to increase the size of the table, drag in to decrease the size of the table. Like this you can increase or decrease the size of the table. Now let's learn how to apply borders. Now let's see how we can apply borders and shading to the table. So first select the table. Select the table. Then from the table tools group, click on the design tab. From the design tab, select borders group. Click on the borders group and click on borders option. From the bottom you can select borders and shadings. You will get borders and shadings dialog box. From the borders and table dialog box, click any style for the outline. First you select the border style. You can see the preview here. If I am selecting this, you can see the preview. If I am selecting this border, that you can see here previews. From the styles group, select any style, any type of line you can select, any line style. And from the colors group, select the color. And here you can adjust the width of the border. Click OK. That border style has been applied to the table. Now you can see that. If you want another border style, you can select from the borders and shadings group another line style, symbol line style, color you can change. First you have to select the table. Okay, thickness I am increasing this thickness. I didn't so that color has been applied to the table. Like this you can apply borders in different variety borders you can apply to the table. We can also change the direction of the text in a cell. For that, select the text, right click the cell, and from here you can select the option text direction. Then text direction dialog box appears. From here you can select which type of which type pattern you want. So I am selecting this one. So let us see how the text will appear in the cell. Click OK. So now the text class 6, see from here 6 up to here, from bottom to top, class 6. Again once more let's see. Let's select this one. So click OK. You can see from here class 6 at the right side. So like this we can change the direction of the text in a cell. Text direction left to right. Okay. Now let's learn how to create our class timetable. For that, first of all, let us create a table with 5 rows. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 5 rows. And how many periods we have? 8 periods. Plus 1 for Monday, Tuesday, and then days column. So 9 columns. So click on Insert tab. From the tables group, select 5 rows first. 5 rows. Then 8 columns. Click inside the last square. The column has been inserted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we can type. First of all, let us align the table, all the text in the middle. So for that, home and click on the alignment tab. Click inside middle. This one. This is for center alignment. Click on that. Now let's type here Monday. Then in the next row we can type Tuesday, and third row we can type Wednesday, now Thursday, and then Friday. So here we have typed all the days. Now this is for subjects. We have to enter subjects for each period. So before that, we have to insert one more row here above this row to enter which period is this. First period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, seventh period and eighth period. So for that, we can right click the mouse and click on, point to the insert option, click on the insert row above. So now you can see a row has been inserted just above the selected cell. Now we can merge this. No need to merge. We can enter data, that is first period, second period, third period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, seventh period and eighth period. Here we can give title days. Now, after first and second period, we have one break, morning short break. So here we can give that here break option. So for that, we need to insert one more column to the left of this third period. So insert column to the right. So we can select. Now we can merge these cells. Merge cells. And we can select the text direction. I want to type break text in this manner. So we can type now B R E K, break. After fourth period, we have lunch break. So again we have to insert a column to the left and merge that cells. Select text direction. This one, lunch break. Here also we need. So now I am placing the cursor here in the sixth period. So we have to, while inserting, we have to insert to the right, column to the right. We have to select insert column to the right, merge cells, text direction, this one, OK, and give break. We can adjust the column width. Select all the columns and click on Layout tab. We can distribute the columns equally here. By clicking on this, we can distribute, or if you want to increase the size of the columns, you can increase the size of the column or decrease the size of the column like this. And I want to give a heading for this table. So here, placing the cursor here, I am right clicking and I am again selecting insert row above. I am merging all that cells together for typing the heading class timetable. Class timetable. We can increase the size of the table by pointing here in the resize handle and dragging this. And we can format the text. I want to give a red color to the text. I want to increase the size of the text. And the same I want to apply for this one. So I am selecting this and clicking on the format painter. Now I am applying this same thing to this row text. Now let's give type data here. This is the format of class timetable. And again, if you can insert one row here and you can give the timing here from 8:30 to 9:30, then 9:30 to 10:30, then 10:30 to 10:45. That timing, if you want to give timing, you can insert one more row and you can give time there. And here you can enter data like English, then Malayalam, then Hindi, Maths, Computer, History, PT, then Music. So for all these days we can enter our timetable. Like this we can create a table for class timetable. I hope it is clear for you. All of you try to create a class timetable like this at home. Okay.